where we are.
Here.
We are in Lancaster because today is your
Birthday.
today is your ballet class, right?
Why so many school and ballet class? Why so
Wala
many?
kasi siyang pahinga, Monday to Friday school, and then Saturday to Sunday ballet na. Pero 2 hours lang naman yung ballet. At saka yung sa school naman niya is 3 hours. Kala mo naman whole day kang busy. Are you excited again? Always excited? Okay, let's go! Sabi niya kuhaan ko daw siya ng video habang naglalakad siya. They want to sama to you, babe. Nakalimutan na nila na may kasama silang adult. Go na. Face mama. Babe. Wow, one more. Oh, enough na. Sakit pa din ang lalamunan ko.
Ah, slipper.
Kaman,
Always running around.
sakit pa din siya. So, naglalakad na kami papunta sa kanyang ballet studio. Ah, you change first na.
I always getting late.
Huh? You're not late?
No. I'm always getting late. Okay.
Dali na, change. Ang bag mo. Let's go. Go na. So, bali bumili pala kami ng cupcake. Ayan. Cupcake. Inutusan ako ng mother na bumili ng cupcake kasi birthday ngayon ng pinaka-panganay namin, ng kapatid, which is wala na nga siya. So, mag-aalay kami today. Tapos, kaninang umaga naman, bumili kami ng baboy para may panghanda din, additional na handa. So, pauwi na kami.
We already.
So, tapos na yung balay ni Baba. So, pauwi na kami.
What, Baba?
Let's go!